Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today I'm going to show you how you can take one of our printed pattern vinyl adhesives and make two different tumbler designs with one. Alright, so it comes with the edges like this. So I went ahead and I trimmed this one off, and so now it's perfect. And I'm going to show you how you are going to cut this to make a design. All right. So I'm going to go from corner to corner and I am going to cut. Okay. Now I have one half. All right. And so now I am going to cut from the center. Again, I'm sorry, from the edges. Okay. So now that you have them like this, all right, the top and the bottom are going to be one design, and we are going to work with this one right now. All right. So let me show you, I'm going to show you on our longer 30-ounce tumbler. All right, get my little scraper, and then that way I can sit it down easily. And I am going to take one and I am going to go to the center. Let me slide this over and I'm going to show you. I like to peel back just the edge. Whoop. And make sure you don't get it upside down. All right. All right. Slowly roll that over there. You can tuck these down for now. All right. And now we are going to take the other side. Whoop. And you can use the wet method with this if you would like. All right. And now we are going to line up these edges. Let me go ahead and turn this around here. All right. Whoops. Just a little bit of a white. Okay, and I will tell you, after you put epoxy on this, even if you do have a seam or you see that you have a little bit of a seam, once you put the epoxy on it, you will not see that seam. All right, let me get the bubbles out of that part. And if you have a few, you can work it out, or if you do the wet method, you won't have bubbles. So and they are going to overlap. All right, and we will trim this one off just for time's sake. I will do this for right now until I get my X-Acto. And oops, that was a horrible cut. We will trim this one down. Now let's go ahead and we are going to do the second one. So we have this one right here. And we are going to take from the tip, or however you would like to do that, and you are going to pull that back. Oops, this is moving around today. Okay. Trying to keep this in frame. All right. And you can grab one side, roll this over, and then roll that one over. All right. So now we have one little V. And this one has a little bit of epoxy on it, so you may see a few more bumps. But I needed 2 of these so that way I could show you. And these are on our website. They are printed pattern vinyl, 12 by 12, and they are $3.50. And the key to this one is you want to make sure that you have enough on the bottom. Sometimes I like to stand it up and do this. Unfortunately, you cannot see on camera. All right. All right. So now I'm going to tilt this one down. All right, and I'm going to do the same thing. All right. Look at that. Now you just tape it off, trim this. Oh, that's horrible. And like I said, this one has a little bit of epoxy residue on it, and so it is bumpy right here. But I wanted to show you this, and with one 12 by 12, $3.50, we have hundreds of designs. And so now you can tape this off, do your glitter, and do some pinstripes, and you have a beautiful tumbler with one 12 by 12 printed pattern vinyl. All right. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thanks. Have a great day.